Hey guys, this is Whisper98, and I hope you guys can hear the music in the background. It's actually smooth jazz, and I hope this is relaxing to your ears. So, sorry I've been able to do other whisper videos because I've been kind of busy doing homework and stuff like that. So yeah, and yes, actually one time I tried to I mean, I can't think of anything interesting right now. And I'm sorry if I'm not that good at this video. I just needed some practice and practice and practice and practice. That's what I need. So yeah. And oh, I hate school drama. It's just that I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I'm not in drama, thank God, but I hope other people don't get into drama, and they don't include me in it, because, I mean, drama, it's really a waste of time, because drama is trying to find, like, an excuse of getting attention. So yeah, like, for example, a lot of girls, or yeah, mostly are girls, that they tend to talk behind a girl's back, and then later they deny it, and then this other girl that she's like, well, I'm gonna kick your butt and stuff after school and whatever, and they come and they're like, oh, I'm gonna get my butt kicked or just going for something I didn't even do, and they deny it to themselves, and then like it's a whole bunch of problems. It's like, why don't you just stop talking about the person in the first place? It's kind of, I hate it. And then yeah, I've actually never been into drama. Well, like I've never like caused drama or anything, because I'm not the type of person that would deal with drama, because it's like, I hate it, and I wouldn't like look towards it and trying to find my way to drama, because I think it's just a waste of time. So yeah, that's my opinions about drama. Yeah, I thank God I'm not in it, and yeah, I hope you guys can hear the music very well. I hope that you guys can be relaxed by the music, since my brother, I know he did a video with birds and this other video with jazz music, and that got me actually got me really relaxed. So I'm gonna try to hang it back up with sounds of jazz and harp, like blues, I think, and like the sea and stuff. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, I hope this turns out really well so I can upload it to YouTube. And if it doesn't, then oh well, then you guys gonna tell me what to fix on it. So yeah, and I hope it did very good. I hope. Yeah, I'm actually gonna get I'm hoping, actually, I hope I can get another phone, because my phone, the screen is cracked, like, I can't see the middle of my screen, so, yeah, and I'm kind of like, I need a new phone, because when I text, I can't see what I'm texting. I have to be, like, looking at the keyboards to see if I spelled it right, and if sometimes I don't feel when my keyboard's pressed, and so I'm just press it twice, and then later when I read the message, when I actually can read it now, I'm like, oops, I spelled this letter twice. I wrote this letter twice. And so yeah, and then when someone texts me, it's really difficult for me to see. Yeah, that's what I hate about it, about my phone. But yeah, I'm hoping I can get a new phone. I'm not that kind of person that I'm just like, whatever is cheaper is the best, but I mean, like, I heard Cricket, it's really cheap, or yeah, and then